Total gain 3,796%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're presenting a powerful and fully automated trading robot called Dark Gold. Pairs EURUSD, GBPUSD, BTCUSD, and gold, selected for consistent market movement and strong trading potential. Time frame M5, M15, and H1 ideal for accurate entries and stable trade management. To run this AI effectively, a minimum balance of $500 is recommended. Originally priced at $199, you can now get it today for only $20, exclusively available on FX Pro. Now let's take a look at the EA's performance. This AI has delivered an impressive total gain of 3,796%, while maintaining a very low drawdown of just 14%.
I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't.
It also shows an excellent 82% win rate, demonstrating strong trading consistency.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got
now, let's open MetaTrader and set up the E.
And wanna hate this. I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent.
Inside the Inputs tab, you can easily adjust the settings to match your preferred trading style.
I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off.
The EA is now fully set up and ready to trade. For complete details and instant download, visit our website at FX Pro. Thank you for watching our video.